Hi everyone, welcome to our video, and today we are going to explain to you how to use Mobirise. Actually this application is for website making, so if you guys want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to download it first. You can just type Mobirise in your Google or in your Bing, whatever device that you choose, and then you can choose between Windows or for Mac, whatever your laptop is, and then mine is Windows, so this one. You can just click here and it will go directly to your download, and you can just install it on your own. And then I already installed the Mobirise and I'm going to open it. So this is how it looks like. The application is actually simple. You have some features here, but I'm going to explain you this first. So you have 5 options here, and the first one is pages. Pages is for if you want to create some new pages, or you want to clone some pages, or you want to rename it, you can just click here. And this one, sites, is for create, open, or rename site that you already made. And for account, you can you have to log your account in, whether you want to use Gmail or Yahoo or whatever it is. So you can just make the website. And for extension, if you want to purchase some things, because not every feature here is free, so you have to purchase it, whether your account or your bank account or something, you have to pay. And for help option is if you want to know further about the website or how to use it, you can just click here. Okay, so the first step that I want to show you is how to create the website. Okay, first one, you can choose sites and then create a new site. Actually, there are so many themes or template you can just choose. Okay, you have to log in first. See, some of the templates here are not free. For example, this one, you have to buy that one. But I'm going to choose this template. Okay. So actually, it will directly link to this blank page. This is already have the direction. Click to start, so you can just click it, and then there are some features here. I'm going to explain you briefly. So you have menu here, and you have headers. You can choose between these headers. And then also you have images and videos. So if you want to add some image or video, you can just put it here. And if you want to put some more pictures, you can use sliders and galleries. If you want to add some more explanation, you can. And also the article, if you want to add some article, or just or you just want to add the title, you can just add it. And also you have animated features, and also pricing tables if you want to add price or something, and counters, countdown. Okay, then we have progress, and then timelines, and then accordions, toggles, and tabs. Also we have info, forms, maps, and social. So this one is for social media. Whatever social media that you want to put in your website, you can just put the link there and it will go directly, for example, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or Google. And also we have testimonials, clients, tables, and the last is footers. So here I'm going to make a simple website that related to my topic, which is innovation in science. And I'm going to just make 2 pages. So just let's get started. I'm going to choose this menu right here, and also I'm going to choose this header. Okay, so if you want to change directly the text or something, you can just type it right here. It's almost the same like PowerPoint, or if you want to salah. Okay, just type this one. Okay, so I'm going to explain you briefly about this feature. Uh, if you want to edit the background here, you can just choose it here. So we have a title here, and also we have text, and then video pop up. And for the video, you can just put this link right here, but I'm not going to change it. And then buttons, so this one is buttons, it is called buttons. And for the background, you have three options, which background image, background color, and also background video. But I'm going to use background image, and I'm going to change it first. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so this buttons right here, it will go directly to the video if you preview in browser. And I'm going to add the description here. So if you want to change the color here, you can just choose between this option. Okay, so basically the page 1 is already done. It's that simple. And now I'm going to make page 2, which it will go directly to the page 1. So you can just click here in the page and then create new page, and I'm going to name it page 2. Okay, and it will go directly into the blank page again, but except for the menu, because we already have it in the first page. Okay, I'm going to choose another header. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to put my title here. And you can also choose font and also choose the size, but I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to add the description of the video. Okay, so actually we already have the video here, but I'm going to change it to the related video. So you can just click in the internet, and also you can search the video. I'm going to choose this video, so you can just click right here and then copy link and put the link right here. So if you want to autoplay the video, you have the option, and also if you want to replay the video, you can also choose it. And my ratio is 69, so just click it right here. Okay, so the video is already inserted, and I'm going to put another information here. So if you click this button right here, it will goes directly into a new link. So I'm going to search the material first. Okay, so I'm going to put this Wikipedia link here to my website. So I'm just copy link it and also put it right here. So if you want the website is to open in new window, I'm going to choose this one. So you can insert link, and also for this button right here, if you want to put another video, or if you want to put another example, you can just put it right there. But I'm going to put another information. So okay, so it will goes directly into my new link, which is so for example, okay, I'm going to choose BBC News for some facts that I'm going to put in my website. Okay, just tap it right here, and it will go open in the window. Okay. Right, so the second page is already done, but now I'm going to link from the home page to the second page. So how can we do it? Okay, so you can just this button right here, you can link it to the second page. You choose page and then side page, page 2, and insert link. Okay, so basically it's done, but I'm going to show you how it looks like in browser. So this is your new website that you already made. If I'm click here, it will go directly into the second page, and if I'm click here, it will go directly to the new page which I already insert the Wikipedia. And if you click this one, it will go to BBC News. So that's all from us. Thank you very much. Hope you understand it. So if you have some question, just comment below.